The GB WhatsApp you have been waiting for is finally here. Today, you can download the best version of GB WhatsApp on your phone. Before we dive in, let me give a quick shout out. If you are from India, welcome. If you are from Indonesia, welcome. If you are from Pakistan, welcome. If you are from Brazil, welcome. If you are from Mexico, welcome. I'm from Haiti. Tell me where you're watching from. Let's get started. Watch carefully. At the end of this video, you'll see how to download it. Let's install it. If we click on it right here and tap on install, as you can see, it gets blocked. To fix this problem, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Tap on it, then deactivate auto blocker, this option. Once done, let's go back to install GB WhatsApp one more time. As you can see, it's installed successfully. Open it, enable this option right here, and then give it all the necessary permissions. Tap on agree and continue. Now click on continue and give it permission. Right here, don't enter your number. Instead, tap on the three dots at the top right, then link as companion device. When this QR code appears, just take another phone and take a photo of it. Then go back, open the official WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three dots at the top right, tap on link devices, and then link a device. It may ask you to enter your fingerprint, just enter it. When this camera appears, just take the other phone to scan the QR code. Once it's linked to the official WhatsApp, go back and open GB WhatsApp. As you can see, GB WhatsApp is connecting. Guys, the steps are easy. You just need to follow them carefully. If you are new here, please subscribe so you won't miss any update. Now, to download GB WhatsApp, check out the link in the comment. Okay, you'll enter my Telegram channel. Once you're in, just tap on the latest GB WhatsApp. This page will appear and then click on GB WhatsApp and then tap on download. As you can see, GB WhatsApp is downloading. If you encounter any problem, leave a comment. I'll be happy to help you out. Or you can contact me on Instagram at LooneyJP for further assistance. See you in the next video. Take care.